Hi guys, Ministry of HRD have now opened up the National Digital Library for everyone to see. So go to ctking.com/ndl. You will find this link there where you can check out the complete details. So what they have done, they put up everything online onto this site. So this is a link on ctking.com/ndl. You'll find out this link. So this is the main link for us to access the National Digital Library. So in this time, to learn in an unexpected way, they open up the complete database for everyone to see. Yeah, so there are 3 crore 82,000 books and periodicals available online for everyone to see, and they have a app as well you can see online. So once I click this link, so once you go to this link, it will take you to their website. Due to the coronavirus, lockdown will not affect your study through the National Digital Library of India. This is obviously the government of India thing. Schools, UG, engineering, science, undergraduates, management. So there is a link for the management as well, and there are a lot of articles on COVID as well. So when I clicked on the management, so this is their main homepage. Looks how they look like. So about NDL, learning type. So there are books, theses, audio lectures, video lectures, manuscripts, articles, and a lot of good stuff is there. You can check it out. Question papers, web courses, annual reports, all the things on various subjects and domains, right from religion to philosophy. But हमारा main काम is the management. So I clicked on the management link. There is no management का link I could find here. So I clicked on the link here on the home page. There's a link. So the moment you go that, and please register here. This is my recommendation to everyone. Register, because that will send you a mail which can act as a proof कि हमने किया था. Whatever you do today, take a screenshot and save it with you. You never know कौन सी चीज़ कब काम आ जाए. Whomever you talk to, save their numbers. For example, I have saved the number of from everybody, right from the Panwala to the stationery shop next to my house. Now, whenever I need, even in this lockdown, I can call them up. No one will come, obviously, but I have their numbers in case I need anything. So do register here so that you get your login ID, password. So in the interview, maybe someday we can show that. So when I click on the management, there are management accounting video lectures, books and video lectures, management accounting solution, questions and solutions, notes, books, articles, thesis from IIM Ahmedabad, video lectures, everything is there. The moment I click on the management accounting solution, so it took me to this page. So right from all the articles are there about business management on their website. So whichever you are interested in, you can check it out. The moment you click on the books and notes by IIM Ahmedabad, it will take you to that link. So all the papers from IIM Ahmedabad, case studies are here. So whatever case studies IIM Ahmedabad have gone through, India's best B schools, every report is there. Short-term investment forecasting is here. So you can check out the link. Yep. So you should register. And then when I go to this third part, which was video lectures, it shows me all the lectures here, right from manager accounting, consumer behavior. Consumer behavior 1 and 2 is a must do for marketing people. Then again consumer behavior. Then Toyota production system is for operation. This is what I am now looking at. So soft skill for business negotiation for HR. Game theory must read. Yep. So Six Sigma. So you can check out the link and read 1 or 2 these things. So there can be a very good marketing, management, video lectures. So everything is there. Training the trainers, videos, supply chain analytics. A lot of things are there. A lot of good stuff is there. Quantitative finance. So you can read 1 or 2, do 1 or 2 courses from here. Yep. So I would recommend this to go to this site and check out the details. Yeah, so we have the courses from IIM Ahmedabad as well available here. The data from IIM Ahmedabad as well available here. All right, all the best. The link is given on ctking.com/nhrd, ctking.com/ndl. So link I've given in the description box as well. You can check out the link in the description box. Yep, ctking.com/ndl. All right, all the best.